LED UFO high bay design with smooth lamp body and dust-free. Aluminum housing enhances the strength and rigidity, overcomes the deformation of the light caused by uneven stress, and achieve better heat dissipation effect at the same time. Up to 119 lumen per wattage and low glare, UGR is less than 22. Selectable CCT 3000K or 4000K or 5000K for different demand. Selectable wattage 100 wattage, 150 wattage, 200 wattage for different demand. Plug-and-play microwave motion sensor or PIR sensor.